Power is phenomenal, especially when it comes to broader leaf hedges. There's no comparison. The M18 tools really power through with no problem.
We're able to cut through 500-600 feet of hedge a lot quicker than we would with a gas-powered trimmer.
The M18 hedge trimmers are actually a little lighter than the gas.
It doesn't weigh as much. It goes through a lot of thick branches. It just gives it a perfect cut.
We love the fact that we're able to rotate the handle.
It really makes the ergonomics a lot easier. You're more comfortable getting your cuts.
And sometimes we have crews that hedge for 8 to 10 hours a day, and it makes our jobs easier. Milwaukee's innovation is just the top of the line.